same when I told you at the beginning, first you have to eat with your eyes. This is what I meant, right?
Oh, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
Just, this is a good assortment of chocolates. We have
You know,
orange.
we got a lot of them. Look.
Yeah.
Huh?
So much.
Yes.
Let's do this. Yeah.
You can give it to your aunt, your grandma, your mommy,
all the mothers
your
in the
neighbor,
world.
your
Yeah.
friends. That they're like mother, like, you know, they mother you.
Everybody will love it.
Yes, of course. Yes, yes. If it's your yoga teacher, you can give her large box. How about
This is for Amy.
for Amy,
By the
for
way, me
Kristen.
and Annie, we go to the same gym. We swim together every Friday and Saturday, right?
And then
And we have fun. That's why we are getting darker. But
Yes,
we
it
are
is so
loving
much
it.
fun.
We are loving
Yeah.
it. We have the best teacher in the world.
I love them. They are gorgeous. Okay. Here we go.
So this is, we are making this for all the mothers in the world. Happy Mother's Day to you all. It's coming, it's in 2 weeks on May 8th. But we want you to have this and to get the idea before the Mother's Day, so you can prepare for your mothers.
Yes, go out there and buy them the best gift. Make them something nice. Make them
Make it with your hands so it will be more appreciated. It's something from
show
your
your
heart.
love. That's it. That's
Show
all
your
they
love.
need.
That's
Yeah.
the best way to show your love, to make something with your own hands. Otherwise, you can buy a box of chocolate. It's not going to be as exciting, as appreciated, as if you make it.
Yeah, when you put your mind to it, you can accomplish everything. Everything with love, right?
Everything with love.
Yes.
And Annie is a great host. I really enjoyed being here today, Annie.
Oh,
As if I
thank
was
you,
in my
Mom.
own kitchen today.
Yes,
I
yes,
felt
yeah,
very comfortable with you.
Thank you for coming, really. I really appreciate you being here. Okay, done, yeah? Did we miss anything? No. So far, so good.
And Annie's sister was here earlier. She made this beautiful
Tart,
right?
tart,
She
yeah.
made this beautiful
We help each
tart.
other. If she knows that I'm gonna go to visit my friend, she goes, okay, should I make something for you?
It's not.
So we
I'm trying to
always-
say it's not
yeah.
only Annie. The whole family is talented. I saw her
Look,
sister's
we are
creation
here
too.
for each other, right? Sometimes I need her, sometimes she needs
Of
me.
course, what
yeah.
her sister's for.
Yeah, of course.
I
Yeah.
love my sister too.
Yes, I love
she's
Gary,
always
man.
there.
Yes.
Actually, I met Annie through my sister. My sister was Annie's friend for a long, long time, and I've always been hearing
I
about
know.
Annie's talents. Annie is this, Annie is that, Annie is so talented. And then I
Now,
had a
now
chance.
you have some time
Now.
in your hands,
That's
so
right.
we can do stuff together.
Now I know Annie in person because we go to the same gym. We became friends too. Thank you, Garine, for introducing me to your good friend.
Thank you,
And
Garine.
Thank you, Garine. And part of this is for you. So I'm going to make 2 boxes. 1 box for my mom, 1 box for Garine. And then Annie will make a box for herself, her sister, whoever you want to give it to. So we have a lot more in the refrigerator too. So we are going to box it and we are going to share with you the end result, how to box our chocolate. We have made our chocolates. It looks beautiful and it looks very gourmet.
Yes.
Annie thinks this is beautiful.
Oh, you
Great
are welcome.
job we did here today together.
That's it. Yeah, yeah.
And we're going to We made this for our Mother's Day celebration. We are going to save it for Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to everybody
Happy Mother's Day.
in the world, everybody, all the mothers. And what's better than handmade chocolates? So we suggest you make chocolates and give it to your loved ones. What do you say?
Definitely. So we're gonna box them now. So I have some lavender outside in my
Annie
garden.
has beautiful lavenders in her garden. We're going to use those, and
Yeah, you can use this as a decoration. You can use some flowers.
And Annie bought these beautiful boxes from a cake decoration store. Annie, where did you get?
I got it from Cake Creation. It's in Woodland Hills, Canoga Park actually. So they have lots of.
And we are going to use these
Yes.
chocolate boxes, and we are going to box it. So let's start boxing it,
Yes,
Annie,
and then
we'll
decorate them
it.
with beautiful ribbons and whatever
With
we have
beautiful
in hand.
ribbons and lavenders, whatever you have in your house, you can decorate it with. We have like this kind of ornaments. You can use anything you want just to make your boxes look
That's
beautiful.
it. Just be creative. Yeah.
Just be creative. Let's start boxing it, Annie.
Yes, let's
what do you
do
say?
it. Yes.
Okay, this box looks pretty full. Okay, so we have one box there. Okay, so this will make another 2 boxes. So we got 2 boxes here.
Let's put nice. What color do you want?
Yeah, lavender looks good.
No, the color of the ribbon. Gold.
Let's make it pink.
Pink. Let's make it pink.
Pink is a symbol of love, right?
Okay.
Giving love.
Okay.
Oh, we have 2 equal size ribbons here. We came to the end of our episode. We have made these delicious chocolates, and we are at Annie Mahseredjian's house today. Thank you, Annie, for hosting
Oh
me
my
today
God,
and showing me and teaching me how to make these delicious and beautiful chocolates.
You are very welcome.
Thank you so much.
The grand finale, huh?
Yes. Look at these beauties. Aren't those gorgeous? Look at show this one. It's so beautiful.
Okay,
all the
now-
boxes and all the chocolates and the mini ones, the miniature ones. Those are so
various
cute.
sizes. Okay, now.
It's a beautiful gift. Now let's taste it.
Yes.
Those are the ones, the big ones, but I want the clusters because I love the
Okay, let's
all the
do it.
goodies.
Yeah.
Okay, let's taste it.
Yeah.
Oh, this is solidified.
Well, this is lots of chocolate.
My God, out of this world.
Very good.
So good.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to you all. And we did our chocolate taste too. It tastes delicious. Now we are ready for our Mother's Day celebration. We have made our gifts. We are going to gift those. And Annie, you're going to give yours a gift, or you're keeping it to yourself?
No. Nothing for me to keep. It's
That's
always
right.
for, to
It's
share.
always for someone else. It's always to share.
It doesn't taste the same if you don't
You're
share
right.
with someone you love.
When
Definitely.
you share it, then it becomes
Yes.
even more special and more tastier. We have made these delicious chocolates today at Annie Mahseredjian's house today. Thank you, Annie, for having me today here at your house.
Thank you.
Thank you, and I really enjoyed being here and
Me too.
learning
It was a
this
pleasure.
art of making chocolates.
The grand finale.
The grand finale.
Yes.
We boxed it. Everything looks beautiful. Our gifts are ready for our Mother's Day, and we are going to wish everybody Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
And we wish you all the best. All the mothers in the world, we wish you all the best. We wish you to be happy and healthy. Annie, do you have a few words to say to our audience?
I'm very grateful. What I share, it comes from my heart, from my bottom of my heart. So just you do the same. Let's make this world a better place to live.
That's
with
right.
love.
And sharing it, making it, it's like giving love to someone. When you give love to someone, the world becomes a better place to live.
Definitely.
Let's love and
Definitely.
share with each other. Happy Mother's Day to you all. And Annie, how do we finish this? What do we say usually? Have a wonderful day.
Have a wonderful week. Have a wonderful life.
We love you guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.